I don't wanna die today. I don't wanna die today. I don't wanna die today. I don't wanna die today.
What the fuck?
Don't wanna die today.
Bad Uber driver? Oh, it's this road. Bro. Dude, don't fucking stop. What the hell are you doing? Stop sign. What are you doing? Jesus, Iowa, fucking go! Goddamn wimp.
My dresser's in my other room.
Oh, really?
My girlfriend moved in, and like,
oh, good.
There's just not really like a lot of room. Watch out for this one.
Good fucking job, dude.
So she can put a dresser, but like I have an office, like the second. Have you been to the?
I actually love when people have something to say. Indebted to no one, a free soul, rare life. Got a glimpse of euphoria hidden there, plain sight. A&B vegan breakfast burrito on the train ride. Read the poem on the wall in the bathroom stall. Didn't hit the snooze.
That's why we're going fucking 12. What the hell you? In that building. I mean, it's good stuff. You want to come all the way over? Oh my God. You're fucking no! Wow. Jesus, man, you fucking do this every day. What's up? Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, we did some stuff then. Yeah, some guys. I think I'm big enough. Oh, fucking Nick! Some guy, no.
For sure. You know, we heard about this app Swimply a while ago and thought it was wild that you could rent out your pool, or someone could rent your pool for an hour. Yeah, it seems so nuts. But family rented a woman's pool on Swimply. Problem is, she didn't know anything about it.
Well, that happens a lot.
Crypto's Twitter. Their pinned comment is roses are red, violets are blue. Here are the winners. Are you one of them too? Hashtag freeze the boobas. So I think they're making a declarative statement that they want to be for the boobs. Oh, free? I thought it was freeze, like stop. No, free. All right, maybe not this one. Maybe not this one. Let's see. Hold on. Holding. Hold on. Awning. I swear I've done this before. I did it with you for... Aha! Let me share this.
Oh boy. No. Fucking sit there then. They give you a feedback. Yeah, cut me off.
And I'm not sure where exactly this was captured. Somewhere on the water. The suspense is killing me. I know. I don't know. I'm just trying to open a tweet. I tried so hard. Yeah. I may have to show it to you on my phone. Oh, wait, here it comes. There it is. Here you go, Lisa. Yeah, so it's a...
So what's a short break? We've been waiting our turn to watch you use your words, catch the heartburn.
Okay, that's fucking cool, dude.
I guess that's the problem. We have the artists.
Hi. I exist.
They're falling in love because they're amazing. I've seen them on stage. PMO, watch a hater hate me, wanna play me like a piano. My architect, no Japanese. Yo, girl, she Japanese. No hands like
Oh, Lucid.
Oh,
no.
Who niggas ain't Japanese? Niggas ain't looking like me. Nah, I ain't checking ID.
There's so many fucking bullshits tonight.
I'm winning. Yeah. I wanna live with the belief that all this means something deep down. I know it does. I wanna live feeling grateful. I wanna live having fun in a place with people who know me. Oh, she did. She's in.
She's not man.
Paris Mayor Annie Hidalgo takes a dip in the Sun River. It's her.
Everybody.
You got the game fucked.
Oh my god. What are you doing, man?
It also worked against him somehow.
Yeah, I don't. No. Well, it's like it's all made up. That's the whole premise. And also, I don't want donuts anymore. Maybe you felt that.
My guy.
I want more of them. That's a unique response.
What about it makes you realize that they wouldn't give them any reasons, right?
I know, right? No way.
Yeah, no, that's not going to come back. I
No, it's not even like a people
Dude.
would question my sanity thing. It's that, like, people would get really testy about it.
We'll make the bell. Yes, it's time for Before We Die. Now sit back and prepare to be distracted and enjoy the show.
Hello, gentle listeners, and welcome back to another.
Wait again.
Yay.
Wait again.
Okay.
Dude. Whoa. Woo, buddy. This guy is good. Oh no. They're gonna fight over it now. Okay. That was anticlimactic.
Show me the miles in your arms and the pink scar where the doctor had to pull out all the bone shifts because you were pressing in the gas just a bit hard. Right in the moment when the road got a bit sharp. When you woke up, somebody was clipping your seatbelt and pulling you from the open window of your Phillips car. Cold pizza. Broken hearts. Give them here. Give them here.
Oh, hell yes!
Hand-me-downs.
Do it!
Left over. We wouldn't know until we get there. The who, or the what, or the when, where. My favorite sweater was a present that I got a couple presidents.
Never again. Just kidding. Please do. I really want to hang out with you.
Jeez, man.
I want to sit straight for a bit here. Oh, everybody's just going.
Oh, that's a fucking run and a half, dude.
As they throw shots down, in my bar after they fight the robot clowns. As of late, they've been stressed and depressed because the chances of us winning are becoming less and less. We lost the captain of the human army. Morale's really low and a lot of people are starving.
What are you doing?
Still wondering how this all happened. Is this even real or am I just on acid? The clowns are advancing down. I use the word down because they're coming underground. Wait,
What are you doing?
what's that sound? It's kind of loud. Holy shit!
Dude, just fucking stop in the middle of the road and text, you idiot. They're doing a thing that's like an exhibit that's music in Maine. Is this a park job? I hope it is. Nobody's in the car. No, he was just opening the door.
Lots of pussy and leaves, stripes, seeds, robbing gear from chest. Can't do everything but got caught. None of the pressure lines within the whole structure of the fort. I got barred.
Oh god.
Building with the force, he put me on and I was gone. Interrupt the place on the gate, I realized that
Yeah.
the window to the soul be directly
Nothing
in the
broke,
eye.
right?
Warpath. I study astrology and math. The equators of
Thank you.
split us up in half.
Yeah.
Bombs in outer space are violating our rights. The cops will shove sticks in
Fucking green light!